let's go. Starting up the show, flashes hit me so blind.